Good day and welcome to my channel. At the moment, I want to do a short tutorial on Hamster Kombat Mining. Hamster Kombat Mining is done on the Telegram app. So to start with, we press play. After you've registered, when you have clicked on the link, you press play. If you don't have Telegram, download Telegram and update it if you already have on the Play Store. Now it's loading. Now you can see on this interface, I have 2.5 million, 2.57 million to claim. And it's written there, the exchange has started working for you. Thank you, Binance. We'll be coming to that. I'm going to click on thank you, Binance, to claim it. That is over 2.5 million has been claimed to my coins. Now, for a beginner, you may not see this, but for a beginner, just listen carefully. This is the interface. As you can see, I have 66 million plus. If you look at the top there, you can see profit per hour. It's over 942,000. How do I arrive at? It's not done in a day. So please follow carefully. Now, if you come below, look at the below, you see the icon of exchange. That is Binance Exchange. It's the one actually doing this work. Even when I'm asleep, it's working on my behalf. So how do you arrive there? The first thing you need to do is to click on N down here. First to your right, click on N. You see N more coins. You are going to come here. The first thing I want you to do is to choose your exchange. I've already chosen, that's why you are seeing all of them, they are green. So when you click on it and you choose your exchange, it's going to give you 5,000 coins. In fact, there are a lot of activity you'll be carrying out that will be increasing your coins. Now, when I click on choose, you can see here it's going to bring different exchanges: Binance, Bybit, OKS, BingS. These are real exchanges in real life. This is just a pointer that perhaps some of these exchanges are going to be involved in the listing. When you hear the word listing, it's talking about when it's tradable. The coins is tradable. It's being launched. Okay. So now you can see that Binance is being ticked here as my own exchange that is working on my behalf. So after I haven't done that, you come back. Now you are still going to click on that N. There are a number of things you are going to see there. Like you are going to be seeing, the first thing here you are seeing here is YouTube. On this YouTube, you can see 100,000, 100,000. The first one is already green. I've done that task. There are different tasks that you'll be doing that will be increasing your coins. These tasks, like the first one, is talking about the academic video. Hamster Kombat are rolling out teachings, awareness, announcements for one of the richest tap boats. You know what I mean by tap boats. Who tell you what and what to do, how to go about it, and other announcements. So once you click on this and you have watched the video, you may not even finish watching it. Come back and click on done. They will give you your coins. Then this one is daily reward. Please, you have to come here on a daily basis to come and be clicking and to come and be claiming. As you are claiming it on a daily basis, it will be going to be highlighting. Now you have 10 days to claim, and the highest here is 5 million. So that means approximately you are going to be claiming almost 10 million, almost 7 million in 10 days. So don't fail to come. Like I've claimed for today, that's why you are saying that, it's saying come back. Now let's go to the other interface. Now I'm back to this interface. All you need to do to return back is to click on the exchange. Now you can see that I have over 67 million. This 67 million is not what matters. This profit per hour is what really matters. That is what you are going to be building on. Now you can see that I have 9,500 here because this is tap. See, as I'm tapping on it, it's increasing. I'm tapping and it's 16, giving me 16. I'm tapping with my 2 fingers now. So in your own case, maybe just 2 or 3 per tap. But as you are boosting your taps, you are buying boost, it will be increasing it. Let me show you boost. As you can see boost at the extreme right there. You click on it. If I want to increase my boost, like now, you can see full energy. That interface I was showing you 9,500. Once I exhaust that 9,500, I can come to this full energy. I will click on it to refill. I'll still be giving under 9,500. That is because I bought boost. Your own can just be 2,000. But as you are increasing the boost, it will be increasing in value. So this, you will do it for 6 times. After the first one, you wait for 1 hour before you can come back here. Then you can see that boosters here. You can see multi-tap. You can see energy limit here. This multi-tap is that interface that is showing you 1616 as I'm tapping on it. It was not 16 from the beginning. I was boosting. So you can see that in this interface now you have 200. I have 255,000 to boost. That means if I want to boost to the next level, I will spend 255k, that is 1,000, to buy the next level. This energy limit, you can see that I'm having 9,500. If I want to move beyond 9,500, that means I have to boost with about 1 million coins that I have accumulated. So take note of that. That is how you accumulate, but you must keep on increasing this because this is what is going to increase your profit per hour. Now, how do you increase your profit per hour? That is a very important question. Now, we are going to go to mining. But one of the most important sessions is mining, where we are going to be buying cards. So the next thing here, you can see after the exchange, you click on mining. It's going to bring us to this interface. This interface will show you different cards. We have about 4 of them, 4 headings. We have market, pro team, legal, and specials. You can see under markets here, we have different cards. As you are buying these cards, it will be increasing your profit per hour. The cards come with different prices. Now you can see that I have a lot of them I've purchased, and their prices are very high now. The more you purchase the cards, the higher the cost of the card. So let me look for one to purchase now. Okay, let me purchase times 100, S100. Okay, the cost of this card is 27,580, and the profit per hour is going to give me is 1,005. Now take note, the profit per hour each of these cards will give you differs. Some of them are very high, some of them are low. So use your coins wisely as you are purchasing. Now I'm going to purchase. Take note, it is 1,500 profit per hour. So I will click on go ahead. So as I click on go ahead, it has added. I purchase it. They will deduct that amount from my total coins here, and they will add it to my profit per hour. You can see that it has increased to 943 profit per hour. It was 942 before. 942,000, because that is what is going to be accumulating. Now, this 943 per hour, what it symbolizes that you can see when I open this interface, I claim 2.4 or thereabout. That means for that period I was not here. Even when I'm sleeping, Binance, which is my exchange, will be working, and what is accumulating is the minimum of 943,000 plus per hour. But mind you, you must always come back every 3 hours maximum. It's not comparing that it must be 3 hours. It can be 10 minutes, it can be 20 minutes, it can be 1 hour for you to know what has been accumulated. But every 3 hours, the pool will full and remain static if you didn't come. So you'll be wasting what you exchange. Your exchange will be waiting for you to come and claim to make sure that your profit per hour is increasing. I'm repeating, profit per hour according to the core team of this mining boat. They see this profit per hour is what is more important. So take note of that. So you can go after you are finished for the first set of cards, this market. You can go to pro team to look at other cards that are cheap, that what you have accumulated can purchase. You can go to Lega. From Lega 2, there are some cards that are going to be very important. In fact, I believe that those cards are going to be what we call NFT. You'll be getting to know more about that. Then the highest of all the cards is these specials. They are the one that will give you more profits per hour. You can see now, like the first one here is 479. Okay, this one relatively is new card. Then you can see some like this one is about 9,000 profit per hour. But because I've been coming here severally to purchase, to buy this one is now about 30,000. 30 million, 30.9 million, thereabout to buy it. So I may not show interest here. I may look for cheaper cards to buy. But there are some of them that are compulsory, that are very important. Look at this one. Every Hamster dreams of Lambo. This card is very important. I bought it already. And these are going to be very important in the exchange once this is being launched. Okay, so there are cards that will tell you very important for you to buy. Look now, all these ones I bought them. I bought them already. I already have them. I bought them. Some of them are still available in terms of prices, which I can still come back to buy. Okay, Now, the next one is friends. First, you have to be inviting people, because there are some of this card that will never unlock for you except you have invited 1, 2, or 3 participants. So this is where to invite friends. All you need to do is to click on this square or rectangular box, and from there you click your link that you can also send to your friends. Now the last aspect here is airdrop task. This one you will need to download Tongue Keeper wallet. Tongue Keeper, you go to Play Store. I'm going to be showing my subsequent videos what to do, how to download it. You are going to link to your that Tongue Keeper wallet. I have already linked it. In fact, these are the wallets where your coins that you have mined will be sent to. In my YouTube channel, I have discussed about decentralized and centralized wallets. Wallets that you can have your sole control over, and the one that are decentralized that other people can have access to. I have them on my YouTube channel. I will be giving you all the link later. Now, so let's go back to. Let me wrap it up here. Now, don't forget, keep on tapping. This is tap tap. Is tap tap. As you are tapping, it's increasing, and these are the things you are going to. These are the coins you are going to be using to buy your cards that will increase your profit per hour. Perhaps between now and tomorrow or some few days time, I will be getting to 1 million plus. Now, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, because I'm coming almost on a daily basis with videos like this, and hit on the notification button, like it, so that more people can see this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. God bless you. Thank you for watching.